Welcome to today's English Phrases, an online English channel.
Di laut.
At sea. At sea.
Saya lebih suka pergi dengan kapal.
I prefer to go by boat. I prefer to go by boat.
Kapan kapal berikutnya berangkat ke Kanada?
When does the next boat leave for Canada? When does the next boat leave for Canada?
Jam berapakah kapal itu berlayar?
What time does the ship sail? What time does the ship sail?
Dari manakah kapal itu berangkat?
Where does the ship sail from? Where does the ship sail from?
Kapal itu sedang memasuki pelabuhan sekarang.
The ship is entering the harbor now. The ship is entering the harbor now.
Kapal itu sedang menepi sekarang.
The ship is pulling alongside now. The ship is pulling alongside now.
Pada hari-hari apakah kapal itu berlayar?
On which days does the ship sail? On which days does the ship sail?
Di dermaga mana kapal itu bersandar?
What pier is the ship docked at? What pier is the ship docked at?
Berapa lamakah pelayaran itu?
How long does the passage take? How long does the passage take?
Kapan kita sampai?
When do we arrive? When do we arrive?
Kapan kita sampai di Florida?
When do we reach Florida? When do we reach Florida?
Kapan kita singgah di San Diego?
When do we call at San Diego? When do we call at San Diego?
Pelabuhan mana saja yang disinggahi kapal ini?
Which ports is this ship calling at? Which ports is this ship calling at?
Dapatkah kita turun di Hawaii?
Can we ashore in Hawaii? Can we ashore in Hawaii?
Berapa lamakah kita tinggal di pelabuhan?
How long do we put into port for? How long do we put into port for?
Jam berapakah kita harus ada di kapal?
What time do we have to be on board? What time do we have to be on board?
Dia bekerja di perusahaan perkapalan.
He is in shipping. He is in shipping.
Apakah ini perusahaan pelayaran yang besar?
Is this a large steamship line? Is this a large steamship line?
Saya mau tiket kelas turis ke Hong Kong.
I would like a tourist class ticket for Hong Kong. I would like a tourist class ticket for Hong Kong.
Saya minta kabin tersendiri.
I would like a private cabin, please. I would like a private cabin, please.
Saya minta kabin dengan 2 tempat tidur.
I would like 2-berth cabin, please. I would like 2-berth cabin, please.
Di geladak manakah kabin Anda?
Which deck is our cabin on? Which deck is our cabin on?
Nomor berapakah kabin Anda?
What is your cabin number? What is your cabin number?
Bagaimana jalan ke kabin saya?
How do I get to my cabin? How do I get to my cabin?
Dapatkah Anda memanggil pelayan kabin?
Can you call the cabin boy? Can you call the cabin boy?
Di kelas berapakah Anda?
What class are you traveling? What class are you traveling?
Tolong bawakan tas-tas ini ke kapal.
Will you carry these bags on board, please? Will you carry these bags on board, please?
Di mana barang bawaan saya?
Where is my luggage? Where is my luggage?
Di mana ruang duduk kelas 1?
Where is the first class lounge? Where is the first class lounge?
Di mana ruang makan kelas 2?
Where is the second class dining room? Where is the second class dining room?
Di mana bar?
Where is the bar? Where is the bar?
Saya akan menemuimu di geladak utama.
I will see you on the main deck. I will see you on the main deck.
Ini geladak atas.
This is upper deck. This is upper deck.
Apakah Anda suka berbaring di kursi geladak?
Do you like lying in a deck chair? Do you like lying in a deck chair?
Pengunjung diminta meninggalkan kapal.
Visitors are requested to leave the ship. Visitors are requested to leave the ship.
Kapal sedang berlayar.
The ship is sailing. The ship is sailing.
Berapa mil kecepatan kita?
How many knots are we doing? How many knots are we doing?
Laut sangat tenang.
The sea is very calm. The sea is very calm.
Laut sangat bergelombang.
The sea is very rough. The sea is very rough.
Saya mabuk laut.
I am feeling seasick. I am feeling seasick.
Saya bukan pelaut yang hebat.
I am not a good sailor. I am not a good sailor.
Saya perlu sedikit udara.
I need some air. I need some air.
Di manakah dokter kapal?
Where is the ship's doctor? Where is the ship's doctor?
Apa Anda punya obat mabuk laut?
Have you got anything against seasickness? Have you got anything against seasickness?
Kapal ini menuju ke tengah laut.
The ship has put out to sea. The ship has put out to sea.
Kapal itu tepat di garis perjalanannya.
The ship is dead on course. The ship is dead on course.
Kapal sedang menuju batu-batu karang itu.
The ship is heading for those rocks. The ship is heading for those rocks.
Kapal itu sedang menuju laut lepas.
The ship is heading out for the open sea. The ship is heading out for the open sea.
Apakah ini kapal pelayaran samudra?
Is this an ocean-going vessel? Is this an ocean-going vessel?
Kapal itu sedang tenggelam.
The ship is sinking. The ship is sinking.
Awak kapal sedang membawa perahu penyelamat.
The crew is manning the lifeboats. The crew is manning the lifeboats.
Perwira satu tidak kelihatan.
The first mate is nowhere to be seen. The first mate is nowhere to be seen.
Kapten ada pada kemudi.
The captain is at the helm. The captain is at the helm.
Gelombang itu setinggi gunung.
The waves are mountainous. The waves are mountainous.
Kapal itu hampir tenggelam.
The ship stays barely afloat. The ship stays barely afloat.
Kapal itu tersangkut di batu karang.
The ship is stuck on the reef. The ship is stuck on the reef.
Kapal itu terdampar di atas batu karang.
The ship is aground on the rocks. The ship is aground on the rocks.
Kita di tengah lautan.
We are in mid-ocean. We are in mid-ocean.
Apa perbedaan laut dan samudra?
What is the difference between a sea and an ocean? What is the difference between a sea and an ocean?
Banyak sekali asap yang keluar dari cerobong itu.
There is a lot of smoke coming out of that tunnel. There is a lot of smoke coming out of that tunnel.
Kapal barang mengangkut muatan barang.
A freighter carries cargo. A freighter carries cargo.
Kapal pelayaran samudra mengangkut penumpang.
An ocean liner carries passengers. An ocean liner carries passengers.
Kapal penyeret menarik kapal masuk dan keluar pelabuhan.
A tug pulls ships in and out the harbor. A tug pulls ships in and out the harbor.
Anda bermain ski air di belakang perahu bermotor.
You water ski behind a motorboat. You water ski behind a motorboat.
Bisakah Anda berlayar?
Can you sail? Can you sail?
Anda naik feri dari Kowloon ke Hong Kong.
You take the ferry from Kowloon to Hong Kong. You take the ferry from Kowloon to Hong Kong.
Kapal penjelajah, perusak, dan induk adalah kapal-kapal perang.
Cruisers, destroyers, and aircraft carriers are warships. Cruisers, destroyers, and aircraft carriers are warships.
Perlombaan perahu biasanya dihubungkan dengan perahu dayung.
A boat race usually refers to rowing boats. A boat race usually refers to rowing boats.
Orang tua itu sangat menyayangi perahu pencari ikannya.
The old man loves his fishing boat. The old man loves his fishing boat.
Pelabuhan Hong Kong penuh dengan sampan-sampan Cina.
Hong Kong Harbor is crowded with Chinese sampans. Hong Kong Harbor is crowded with Chinese sampans.
Kapal uap boleh mengangkut barang dan penumpang.
Steamers may carry both cargo and passengers. Steamers may carry both cargo and passengers.
Perahu buritan panjang adalah ciri-ciri kehidupan sungai di Bangkok.
Long-tailed boats are a feature of Bangkok's river life. Long-tailed boats are a feature of Bangkok's river life.
Mercusuar adalah tempat yang sunyi untuk didiami.
A lighthouse is a lonely place to live in. A lighthouse is a lonely place to live in.
Pelampung timbul tenggelam di permukaan air.
The buoy is bobbing on the water. The buoy is bobbing on the water.
Anak lelaki itu ingin jadi pelaut.
The boy wants to be a sailor. The boy wants to be a sailor.
Manakah lambung kiri dan manakah lambung kanan?
Which is port and which is starboard? Which is port and which is starboard?
Manakah ujung buritan dan manakah ujung haluan?
Which end is the stern and which end is the bow? Which end is the stern and which end is the bow?
Berbendera apakah kapal itu?
What flag is the ship flying? What flag is the ship flying?
Alangkah tingginya tiang-tiang kapal yang berlayar itu.
What tall masts that sailing ship has. What tall masts that sailing ship has.
Turunkan sauh.
Drop anchor. Drop anchor.
Bongkar sauh.
Weigh anchor. Weigh anchor.
Dengarkan peluit kapal itu.
Listen to the ship's siren. Listen to the ship's siren.
Air laut sedang surut.
The tide is low. The tide is low.
Air laut sedang pasang.
The tide is high. The tide is high.
Saya sedang menuju Jepang.
I am off to Japan. I am off to Japan.
Semua awak kapal ke atas geladak.
All hands on deck. All hands on deck.
Naikkan tangga kapal.
Lift the gangway. Lift the gangway.
Turunkan tangga kapal.
Lower the gangway. Lower the gangway.
Kita sudah tidak dapat melihat pantai.
We have lost sight of the coast. We have lost sight of the coast.
Anda tidak bisa melihat dataran lagi.
You cannot see the mainland anymore. You cannot see the mainland anymore.
Kita menyusuri pantai.
We are following the coastline. We are following the coastline.
Nikmatilah pelayaran Anda.
Enjoy your cruise. Enjoy your cruise.
Selamat jalan.
Bon voyage. Bon voyage.
Jangan lupa like, subscribe, share, komen, dan bagikan video ini sebanyak-banyaknya. Semoga bermanfaat. Terima kasih.